Meaning of Magnus Magnusson.
Magnus Magnusson.
Magnus Magnusson.
Magnus Magnusson.
Magnus Magnusson. Magnus Magnusson was a famous Icelandic journalist, television presenter, translator, and writer. He is best known for hosting the BBC television quiz show Mastermind from 1972 to 1997. Magnusson was well known for his distinctive voice and authoritative manner, and was widely regarded as one of the most iconic and respected figures in British television history. He was also a prolific author and translator, having written or translated over 30 books on a range of topics, including Icelandic sagas, the Vikings, and Scottish history.